Welcome everybody, welcome to Mark Bajerski's box opening from Bali. Yay! Come on. Hey, it's been a while. Here we go. Don't ask me what's in it because I don't know. But let us open and let us see. Hi guys, welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. It is a most amazing day to open a box from Bali with my beautiful Balinese family who work on all my crystals to create beautiful designs for you and for me. This is a joyful moment. That's why I'm happy today. Always happy to see my crystals in the making. This has taken months and months, so here we go. Let us enjoy the moment and the feel. There is something about opening a box of crystals that the energy that you feel is, like now, I'm struggling to breathe because I've got a knot in my kind of throat here. I can feel the energy from the crystals, which is an amazing feeling. And some of you guys will understand that if you've ever had a crystal from me, because I get the same energy from it. So when you work so lovingly with crystals and you put your time and effort into them and put memory into them, when you've got a load of them or even one, you can feel that. It's just science will never understand. Most people will never understand. But you do, because you've experienced it, and that's the beautiful thing. If you've experienced, look at Chucky! I have no idea what's in here, so let's see. Let's start by packet number 1. Here we go. Put this to one side, Mr. B. Okay. Oh, get comfy. Adobe. Oh, so here we have Silicon Valley. This is a group of Silicon Valleys. Wow. I actually am wearing one right now. I don't take it off these days, very rarely. They're so good for protection. More ways than you can imagine. Now these look amazing. They're a nice size because a lot of people don't like them too big. That's why I hunted down some special sizes, and a lot of people were saying that they love the Silicon Valley in this kind of polished, but a lot of people like the natural looking ones, so I went out and hunted for natural shapes and sizes. So here you go. Great workmanship, beautiful design, simple, shows the crystal well. I can feel the energy on my head nearly exploding. I can feel it's just an amazing energy. Okay, so there you go. There you go. Now, look at the workmanship on that. Isn't that beautiful? It still shows the crystal so well. It's beautiful. Let's look at a few more. Let's look at a few more designs. See what stands out. They all feel beautiful. I don't know which one to take because they all feel amazing. I don't like, it's like saying I don't like you and I like you better, but you're all beautiful guys. You're all amazing energies. I can feel your work already. My body's getting hotter, so I can feel the energy work. It's incredible. It's really beautiful. There you go. Look at that one. Both sides, you see, you can hang it both sides. They're all signed MB as Mark Bajerski Collection. So they're gorgeous. I'll leave them there. Okay, let's see. Try another one. Oh, it's a beautiful day for chocolates. Okay, so what am I looking at now? Madre mia, que bonita! Muy rico! Wow! Say hello to a most beautiful tektite. What a beautiful, beautiful way to look at the hang. Perfect hanging, an odd shape, but look at that for holding in your hand. Look at the perfectness of that for a healer. That is amazing. This is a beautiful polished tektite, and it's just, you can feel its energy. Just take a look at that. So yes, it's a big one. It surely is a big one, but it's for healers and for people who work in the industry of public. Tektite is the absorber of crystals. Do you want me to share you a story? I'll share you a story. It's totally off topic, but let me share it with you. So, in the village, there are many different beautiful souls of different religions, different belief systems, and I love them all. I love different people's thoughts and feelings. So, I'm sat having a coffee with another healer a couple of weeks ago, maybe a little bit more. Anyway, the person that was serving us is a dear friend of mine. Carries the Quran everywhere with him. He's a devout believer in the Quran and that religion, and I respect him for his belief system. It's beautiful. I actually really love it. And he's kind, caring, loving, respectful, and just a general all-round nice person. Anyway, I was wearing a tektite, and because of religion, it limits you to things and kind of in its own way has a way of limiting you to understanding life and stuff. So I'm wearing a very similar tektite like this around my neck. Anyway, he serves me a beautiful mint tea, and I said, "How are you doing?" He says, "I'm all right." He says, What are you? Why do you always wear all of them things around your neck?" So I started laughing, and he says, "Why are you laughing?" I says, "Because you have no idea how ironic that is." And he looks at me and he says, "What do you mean?" And I said, "Do you know what I'm wearing around my neck?" He said, "No." I said, "Let me show you." I kissed it. I said, "What do you think of that?" And he started laughing. He says, "You're crazy." And I said, "Thank you." And I left it at that. And the reason why I left it at that is because it's not important what I know, and it's not important what I share with him. But I could have easily said, "Do you know, my friend, have you ever traveled to Mecca?" And he would have said yes. I said, "Have you ever walked around the cube?" And he would have said yes. And then I would have said, "Have you ever kissed the magical stone?" And he would have said yes. And I would have said, "Then why is this any different from me kissing it?" Because your magical stone flew from the skies, landed, and laid in that place for you to kiss. And that magical stone, what you kiss, is a tektite. And it's exactly like this. But I didn't. But I find it fascinating and I love it. What more perfect crystal in this world to absolutely 100% prove my point that the most powerful crystal in the world is in a cube, that is sat in that cube, that is a tektite. That while people walk past and pray to and say, "Help me and heal me," you kiss it and it absorbs negative energy. Millions of people. So why isn't this in the same category? Because people don't see it, but I do. And I saw it. And I saw it on top of a client. And I saw the negative energy pouring into this crystal and absorbing and disappearing. And that's exactly what happens in Mecca. And that's exactly what happens with that stone. The kiss absorbs all pain and suffering. Just an off topic. So yes, do I wear it? Of course I wear it every day. It's there on my neck because I know the power of tektite. And that's why it's part of my trio. Because that is the power of the tektite. It's the only crystal that absorbs and dispels negative energy. That's why I wear it every day. So there you go. That will be going on my website. Yummy, lovely! Okay. Nice. I'm just going to show them. Yeah, I'm just going to show it. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful design. Doesn't interfere with the crystal at all. Beautiful. Gorgeous. You can feel it. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. You can feel it. So there's a lot of tektites here. My favourite, I have to say, is the teardrop. And this is a beautiful teardrop. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at the mounting. Isn't the mounting just perfect? Hey, look at the mounting. What a beautiful teardrop to hold and work with and to wear. Always wear below on your belly button around there. Ancestral light, gorgeous. Look at the mounting on that. Beautiful, powerful crystal. We love pink petalite. I just went crazy for pink petalite. I have a story behind it. There's a reason why, but it's a great crystal right now. A nice slice. The mountain, look at it, how gorgeous it is. It's perfect. Simple. It's taken a long time to get my beautiful family to understand that it's not about how you mount it. It's not about how fancy the mountain. It's about simplicity. Ooh, look at that. Yum delicious. Yum dilly scrumptious. They're sweeties, but power in them is incredible. You can feel it. I'm literally sweating. I can feel it's just amazing. So put them there. Let's have a look. More tektites. Beautiful. I have so many crystals that I work on and then send to Valley that I do forget what's coming. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my God. Gorgeous. So a lot of you are understanding the power of chungite, and a lot of people were saying they were too big, so they wanted smaller chungites. So I created smaller chungites, which just work perfectly around the neck, throat, and heart. Beautiful, gorgeous. So there you go. Beautiful chungites that are divine, gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So there's more pink petalite. And there's more chungites. So it makes sense. We really need, I don't know if you know guys, but a lot of things are happening right now with the connection of towers and people feeling bad, and people now are sending me message after message. Absolutely. Chungite, absolutely Silicon Valley, terahertz they call in other places. So these are definitely helpers without a doubt. And when you are in the vicinity of these big towers and they kick out their microwave, You can feel it, and I know you're telling me now. I know you're seeing trees being killed. I know you're seeing bark falling off. I know you're seeing animals, birds, and I know we know these are the things that are helping. So that's it. That's my beautiful lot. I'm going to start working on these now. Finally, as maybe about another 2 or 3 hours, I've put most of the work in already. Now I'm going to just finish these off with another beautiful, probably Moldavite. I'll probably work Moldavite singing bowl. I'll probably also work with the harp, and I'll put energy in, and I'll do about an hour meditation, maybe a little bit longer, and pure energy healing, just to finally finish these crystals. And then I'll start to upload a few onto the website in the next few weeks. Every time you go to bajerski.com, you just click on shop, and what you'll see is the latest crystals that I finished working on. So it's always nice to see. I'm going to go now. I'm going to start some work. I've done 3 videos today. Very pleased about that. I've worked extremely hard. I've all night last night I bagged up, I think, over 300 sages, so that was beautiful. I enjoy that work, being around sage. It uplifts me and makes me feel great. So there you go. One more time, I just want to say thank you with all my heart for supporting Bajerski.com, so we can support others as well as help people along this journey of life, this challenge right now, as we all know. But at least we can make a little difference in our life, and we can still share those tools, those oils, those incense and these crystals with people that we do share every day. We help people and make them feel better, and we do, and you do. And don't ever forget, no one has the power over you, and you are the most powerful crystal in this world. These are just here to help us along. So from my heart to your heart, have a beautiful day, guys. Love you all. Take care, and thank you again for going to Bajerski.com. Till tomorrow, have a most beautiful day. Bye, guys.